Chưa? Anh thử xem ở trên. Okay, okay, chưa. Okay, thank you.
Good?
Oh, okay, thank you.
Okay.
Okay.
All right. So what I want to see on these machines is this right here.
Anh dùng máy này.
So I want to see this mock technology directory. Do you know what I mean? What I was saying? So I'm going to go here and I'm going to go into DI guy and just watch.
Yes.
And I'm going to say open file location. And this is going to give us all of the I'm going to go all the way back to mock technologies. And you're going to pin this to the start. So right click, pin to start. So it'll appear there here.
Yes.
Does that make sense? You've done that? So not. So you're going to be using them. Yeah, there you go. Keep on that. Right click. Into start. Okay, so you got it. Okay, good. So that right there enables you to access all the different software. Okay?
Okay.
So I'm not currently seeing these motions in here yet, but I'm able to export them. So we're gonna create a motion here, and then we'll work on exporting them. So what I'll do is I'll do File, New Project, and discard. It's going to be Soldier 17 default. Press OK. Oh man, software is killing me. Let's try it again. DI guy, motion editor. Soldier 17 default. Hit OK. So there's my soldier. He's got the fixed legs. Okay. So think about something you want him to do. All right. So what we'll do is I'm going to take that stand ready motion and I'm going to import it. So I like this motion here. I want to grab that. So I'm going to go to motion arcs and this one, let's actually go to action. I'm going to click here and look for the stand. If I can find it. Stand curious. Actually, we'll use a stand curious. So I'm going to click on this and I'm going to copy this name here. So I'll do file, import, motion, paste that curious motion there. And now you can see when I'm in editor mode, he goes to the 0 pose. That means all the values are equal to 0. All the rotation, he's at the ground. So now here's the motion that's imported in the project. And here's my timeline. Let me scale this down a little bit. I'm going to grab this and put it on the timeline. So you can see how he looks moving around. Okay. So now let's find another motion. Let's see if I can do this. Try motorcycle aim, curious. We're going to take this talk motion and we're going to add this too. So I'm going to select this, talk, file, import, motion, paste, hit OK. And now I'm going to add a new layer, new motion track. And this talk motion is going to go here. So let's see what this one looks like. So you see him talking, and then if I add this one back, it's going to overwrite that. So what I'll do is I'm going to go to this layer, and I'm going to start turning off things I don't want to see. So I don't want to see the back. Let's turn off the back, keep the hips, and we're going to turn off the shoulders. Shoulders, we'll turn off the neck, elbows, the wrists. Hit OK. Now you can see that he's talking while he's got a gun.
Okay.
Does that make sense? So I've taken this motion and combined it with this motion. So you can see he's still kind of looking, but he's using his arm. Oh, and then he ran out of data. See how his arms are now flat? So one thing I could do is extend that data and go to that last pose here and click on grab a pose, and I'm going to take this and extend it. Oh, I might not have done a good job, so let's zoom in. Yeah, so it's not quite right. There we go. So now he talks and then he holds his pose. Because this, so if I move this, it's basically blending between 2 points. So now you see it goes all the way over there. So let me export this. And you see I just clicked up here in the top. And we'll do something like this. So we're going to go to the front, to the back. His legs are kind of far apart. See if I can get his legs closer to each other, right about there. And then we're going to go over here. Right there. And I'll just do file. Let me save project. Look around. All right, hit save. And I'll do file, export, motion. And he's not really moving. So I'm going to move. I'm not going to rotate at all. all directions he's going to translate to the origin. I'm going to add padding. Padding is just going to be 1 second. Then we'll give it a name. Yes, and we're going to put it here. And we'll call this stand, talk, look. Hit save, hit OK. I play it just to make sure. Oops, I got a little problem there. That looks a little weird. Right about there. I'll hit OK there. Yeah, I might need to fix this. I'm going to put this back here. Zoom in a little bit more. Try again. File, export, motion. That all looks good. Add padding. Yes. Let's see what that does. Oh, I got a little bit of a hiccup right there. Close. Okay. I don't really see that. I'm not sure exactly what's going on there, but let's just move along. So this is talk look. Number of times used, not at all. And we're going to go here and I'm going to, let's find where this can be used. So I'll say task, movement, DI guy animation, carried over shoulder, climb ladder, crawl left. I'm just going to overwrite one of these, stand fire rifle or something like that. Stand vomit. We'll just overwrite that one. So I'm going to go back here, stand vomit, view setup. And vomit, clear all. There it is. So I'm going to replace that with my new motion, which will be stand, talk, look. Data table. Let's see what this looks like. It may not look good, so I'm kind of playing around with this. And vomit. There we go. Action. Look around. Action table. Motion arcs. Create table file. All right, let's see what we got here. So I'm going to go here, close this, save scenario, hit yes. And then again, I need to copy those files over. So this is my DI guy, motion, custom, config, DI guy, motion table, which should be saved at 3 a.m. Oh, that's what time it says it is. Okay. We're going to copy that. And now we're going to move these to go a little crazy. Custom engage, movie. We're going to paste it in here, replace those files, and let's see what we get out of this. This may be a bust, so just bear with me. Courses, I'm going to restart it. That's my okay, play. Task, movement, DI guy animation, stand, vomit. Let's see what this looks like. Oh, and it's playing the wrong animation. I'm wondering if I got the wrong dude here. Action table. Let me try something else here. Give me a second. New project. Discard. And it crashes. DI guy. Motion editor. Soldier 04. Let me play around with this a little bit. It feels like I'm not quite getting the files to update. So if this is a problem, we'll just move on to the texturing and I'll have to figure this out. Okay, so that copied over. Motions up and down, look around. Motions, look around. Yeah, guy, action table, 3 a.m., 3 a.m. Okay. 3.8, soldier 17. All right. Movement, animation. Crawl forward fast. All right. Let me look for, I think there's a file I need to edit in here. Task, movement, Jaga animation, carried over shoulder. Right forms. All right, so Control F. I'm looking to find in files. Simulation, mock, shared data, 19, latest. Model data. Let's look in here, select folder. All right, this is going to be carried over shoulder. All right. My guess is there's some other config file that's governing how these motions appear in forces. So just bear with me. What you can do is go into that. We could start trying to make motions. So think of a motion of someone carrying a box, walking with a box. Is that what you want to do? Is make a guy hold a box? You want a guy holding a box, right? So think of what you want to do. Do you want him standing there with the box? Yes. Holding a box. Right? So is this a soldier or who? Is It's a soldier or a civilian.
We want to create the soldier, bring the ball in the shoulder.
On his shoulder.
Yeah.
Okay. All right. All right. I'm almost there. I'm looking. I think I found what we're looking for. Copy. Human male action table. File. New project. Human male. Okay. I got it. I got it. I was editing the wrong character. Yep. So this is what it's using. All right. So we'll figure this out. I just don't want you to be gonna go to infantry, hit OK. Here we go. This is what we're looking for. That's our guy. So he's standing a little bit better. All right, let's give him a new motion. So we're going to go action. We're going to say action table. Here we go. I'm almost there, man. This is a little tricky. Pistol. Standing aim rifle, standing aim rifle. Motion. No weapon. All right. I'm just going to play around with this and see what I can get. That's that one. I don't like that one. Upright walk. Walk forward casual. Okay. Send to project. All right, here we go. So he's got a weapon there. We can kind of remove that. But I'm going to put his left arm like this. All right, so I'll do a new track. And we're going to turn off his left arm here. So we'll say spine, calf, foot, toe, left clavicle, left clavicle, left clavicle, upper arm left, forearm left, hand left. His arm now is straight because I made it 0. So now here, I'm going to grab a pose and I'm going to modify it. And what I'm doing, I hold down the shift key and click, then I hold down the space bar to find the joint I want. Let's turn that off. We're going to go back here. There's some bug with the all right, so let's try that again. So I'm going to take this, click here, move this forward, rotate that around. Select I'm just going to have his arm up like that or something. Okay. Turn that off. Now I copy this, copy, paste, and I'm going to interpolate between the two. So now when I play it, looks like he's got a box or something. It's not perfect, but it'll get there. And let's move that around. I'm going to copy that pose. I'm going to paste it. I'll delete this one. And now he's got kind of a look like that. Not great, but. And I'll say, let me zoom in. Left past right. File, export, motion. It's going to be a forward, backwards motion because he's moving. Facing, we're not changing that. We're not going to add padding. And we're going to hit browse. Okay. And this is going to be called, actually, I don't know what it's going to be called. Human upright walk forward. Well, let's browse. Yes. forward with box. Just bear with me.
Yes.
Save, hit OK, play, OK, close. We're adding it to this action table. Human upright with box. Hit OK. All right, so now here, I want to go to action table. I want to say action. Got that. There's my thing with box. I want to say here, view, cancel, action, add action. Walk with box. Hit OK. Here's my action. Walk with box. Give me a second. I just need to move that up there. I'm going to do view setup, clear selection, walk with box, press OK. And I need to add that motion there. With box. There we go. There it is. Let me save that. Okay. Now let's see. I'm going to see if I can get this into the. There we go. Nope, that's not that. Motion. I'll just have to get there again. Sorry. So we're at shared data, 19 latest model data, life forms, DI guy, custom, paste. Okay. So I've added a new motion that says walk with box. It should be in here. So let me close forces. I think I wasn't modifying the right character.
Yes.
So I was modifying the wrong one. There are forces. Let's try it again. Hopefully this will be there. If not, I'll have to go back to the drawing board, man. All right, stand. Okay. If this works, I'll be very excited. All right, there we go. Plan, task, movement, GI guy animation. What was it? Walk with box. Walk forward rifle. Let me figure out what this is. Walk with box, all underscores. Make a new character. M4. Walk with box. Action. Walk with box. I'm not going to say that. Box. Action. Stand idle. And talk. Upright. No. Hmm. Yep. I'm still trying to figure out how to get it out of the motion editor into forces. I'm missing something here, but I think he's getting the flow of it. So we created a motion. What is going on with that? View setup. Clear selection. Select all. Okay. box. Yeah, something's a little screwy here, so I'm going to save this. Action table is saved. Project. Close project. Come on, dude. Yeah, something's a little wacky. Haven't quite figured it out yet. We'll figure it out. But human male, French military, stand idle, walk with box. There he is. So he's actually doing it. I don't know. I had to restart it. This software is a little buggy, and I'll try to find a better version. So the goal would be for him to stand like this and to walk like this with the box. And I'm going to look inside into the close that. Custom Lifeform config TI guy. Find box. Yeah, so he's got that motion. Walk with box. Walk with box. Walk with box. Yeah. Let me play around with this a little bit, but or what we can do is work on you doing motion like that. So we could do a stationary motion with him like this. So does that work for you? Like let's focus on making the motion right, and then I'll work on getting it into forces because there's something I'm missing here. Yeah.
You guess this slide for us after training with Philus.
Can I what?
Get us slides of PowerPoint.
Yeah.
Slide, yeah.
Yeah, this one I'm not sure is right, but what we can do, yeah, I can absolutely give you these. This is the texturing one. If you want to, we could focus on this for a little bit. So this one I know works.
Okay.
The motion is this something's, I think it's the software. So I'm asking them to give me a different version of the software, and this maybe there's a bug or something that's it's acting weird. Change the state name to a new one. Change the material only if you change the material. Change the texture to a new texture, to your new texture. All right. So this is the DI guy character viewer. All right. So we're going to go into, let me close this and we'll do the texture thing first. So I'm going to go to DI guy.
Thế đang làm và đưa vào video không phải. Thế thì bỏ qua ra mình lấy qua mới đưa vào video không phải. Ông đang bảo có vấn đề về việc đưa motion này vào chúng ta có đây ngạn đó nó chưa kết nối với nhau. Rất là chưa được tạo được cái animation và cái việc lập tích cái animation ở trong cái video đang soạn rồi cùng với cái hộp nhưng mà chưa đưa được ra là để tạo ra những người vác cái hộp để tạo nhưng ở trên VI tạo người vác cái cuối trên vai này rồi đi đấy.
So this is I'm basically following this right here, but what it's looking for is that DAE file. So let's make this bigger so you can see. So we're going to look at the DAE file, which is right here. Multicam DAE, human. I'm going to go to the textures here. And see, these are just PNG files.
Yes.
So if I want to edit them, I'm going to change this to a different. So, or what we can do is make a new one. So let me go to this one here. So this is the same thing. It's a custom folder in DI guy. And we're making a custom geometry PNG file. Add or modify geometry textures. Change the state name to your new name. Great. So see this right here, it says create appearance. Appearance will be the body. New appearance name, we could call it Vietnamese soldier. And go from there. But this is the way to do it. So I'm going to put this up here. And I want you to kind of follow through. Do you have a texture of the or images of a Vietnamese soldier?
Anh có hình ảnh của người lính Việt Nam không anh? Nhưng mà cái texture ấy chứ không phải là ảnh. Đó cái trò cái tôn cổ. Đó. Chứ không phải là chỉ là ảnh này. Các bạn ở đây nhưng mà làm được ấy.
Is that what you want?
Yes.
Something like that?
Yes.
Or you want that? That's too old. Like this.
But no.
This one?
No.
No?
No.
No? No good?
No.
All right. So I think we could probably make something like that. So I'm going to go to here. Vietnamese soldier. Hit OK. Pick base appearance.
Có nghĩa là mỗi đơn vị có một cái ảnh.
I'm going to do
Thực trò là phải tạo khác lên. Cái thực trò ấy, cái mỏ ấy, phải build một bước cái chứ không phải cứ bức ảnh đâu. Anh tưởng là bức ảnh vào ảnh không là nó sẽ kiểu cái thực trò nó cái trò này.
there's a lot.
Như anh thấy cái tập trò của cái không? Cái trò nó sẽ
Here we go. Molly. We'll pick this one. Hit OK. Is this
you
add a shape set? So yeah, this might be a little tricky, but I think it's doable. Seems really simple. So it's SK Multicam. Okay. Actor grid shape set. Multicam DE. Okay. Waveform. DAE. Guy. Custom. Guy. Actor Greg shape set. Big. Guy. Actor. SK underscore multicam. There we go. Turns multicam. Vietnamese soldier. You could change the weapon to an AK-47. Shape set. Textures.
Ok bạn ơi. Thế à? Đến đây. Đến bên ngoài.
PNG UK. Okay. So I think I can figure this out. Might have to poke around with this. A lot of this is confusing because there's just a lot. It's all like structure of this and structure of that. But all I got to do is change that PNG. And that guy. Custom. You do a new folder. Call this PNG.
Cũng có thể là về quan hệ hoặc là chú đưa trực tiếp cho phòng sau đại học để nó quan trọng là thằng sau phòng sau đại học ấy nó sẽ phải là cái thằng phối hợp với thằng khảo thí để nó làm chú cái khiếu điểm cái hôm thi. Thì vấn đề là phòng sau đại học nó thì làm cho chú chứ còn hệ nó chỉ được gửi lên phòng sau đại học để phòng sau đại học nó nắm cái đấy và nó phối hợp với thằng khảo thí ấy, tổ chức cho chú là một cái ngày thi đấy có một thí sinh tiến thích có một cái phiếu thi riêng phải không? Cái thi văn đáp thì có ưu điểm riêng chẳng hạn và nó sẽ nhập điểm vào đấy để nó đưa vào trong cái phần mềm. Không, nó sẽ tổ chức chúng nó chưa thi không có chuyện là nó đưa chú vào nước khác đi nước khác nhưng mà do thằng phòng sội nào có thể nó tổ chức buổi
GI guy. Custom PNG.
đúng rồi đúng rồi còn không thì nó sẽ giả soát chú chưa thi thì nó sẽ bắt buộc nó phải bố trí cho thi của riêng của điểm đó. Nhưng mình thì mình muốn là để thi
This is gonna look a little weird.
mình muốn là mình thi cùng với cái lớp kia đúng không thì mình như là mình để mình với nó để nó sắp xếp cho mình thi cùng với lớp đấy ngày hôm đấy nó biết là mình thi và nó làm mình điểm của cái em đấy cái danh sách thi ấy.
Fuse body.
Còn nếu mà không thì cả chú không làm gì cả thì đến đúng rồi.
So now I'm gonna go here. Custom PNG.
Nên để nó biết thôi chứ không nó không nặng nề câu chuyện là phải qua hệ qua cái về nguyên tắc mình mà không làm cái gì mà muốn nhanh mà muốn chậm thì mình cứ đề nghị bình thường rồi con tư sẽ có trách nhiệm hoặc là mình sẽ mang những cái mình đầu tư làm sao để sao.
For some reason that's not quite. Desert body, edit, open. Keeps going to this weird directory. Fig, PNG.
Nó chả như bình thường nếu mà chú không làm đơn làm từ thì bắt buộc nó cũng phải tổ chức được chú thi lại.
It's going here. Maybe it's not the right type. Clip map. Open.
Chỉ khi nó nhớ, nhưng mà chú đang bảo nó hỏi nó cần không? Đúng không? Chú Điệp thằng Thành ấy bảo là em chưa thi môn này thì giờ em bận thì tới đây em muốn thi cùng với lớp kia thì cô cần phải thương cho anh thơ.
It's not quite doing what I want it to do. I can open it.
Muốn thi trước đấy á. Ồ, nếu thì chú lại thi trước chứ không phải là thi sau thì nó lại đơn giản hơn. Thi trước thì chú như đấy như hôm chú bảo thầy thôi, thầy cho điểm mà không nào đến lượt chú thi thì thầy cứ thi điểm là xong thôi. Chả thông báo với ai cả. Anh này cứ nghĩ là chú tức là nó đã qua cái đợt thi của chú rồi, chú thi lại. Còn đây là chú chưa thi đúng không? Mà chú muốn thi trước đúng không? Thì chú cứ gặp
Keeps
thầy
going
thì
there,
thầy cho em
which
thi
is
trước.
weird.
Thế mà thầy thì biết chú thi trước rồi cho chú điểm vào trong đấy rồi thì hôm sau đến lượt chú không thi nữa coi như chú thi rồi thầy cho điểm vào nhập điểm chưa thôi, có liên quan đến đâu. Chả liên quan đến từng vòng sau này học hay cả.
Textures.
Rồi tới nhiều tại vì có lẽ cái giờ chú cần phải thi lại trong cái diện này em qua cái vỡ mất cái thi nhiều hơn phải thi lại.
I think picture file is no BNC.
Yeah. I've got like a junk file in there. I just want it to look that way. Stores. Texture. Geometry. Base. Texture. Head. Drills. Now. Yeah, it's just not letting me swap that out for some reason. Oh, I don't know, man. So today is just not my day. Now when I click on it, it should give me an OK. I shouldn't just click on it and go here. Close. Damn it. Something is saving this. Edit. Not loaded yet. True. Tick list. Yeah, I got a custom PNG. Oh,
Anh muốn đánh lại chạy đi đâu nữa? Đi thịt bao nhiêu nhỉ? Để quân phải lại mắng nhau. Mắng cái gì mà đánh mắng lại rồi. Ôi. Thế cuối cùng công việc thì đâu phải làm không mấy đâu mà ông không đâu. Dạ vâng. Em vừa bảo tụi mày không phải sang phòng kia rồi. Thì ông sửa phòng kia rồi. Wow, mẹ anh không khoai, không sang rồi. Sang ngồi cho nó thoải mái. Bây giờ này đây tuyển sinh ở đây. We have break.
Okay.
Uh,
I'm gonna keep looking at this.
just take a break first. I got some people in the
Cái tao khóa đây mày lên cân thì anh còn tao góp vô
Hair skin.
ơi có một lúc trẻ bao nhiêu anh.
Oh wow. What
the
is
things
that?
that I told you before. This early.
Oh yeah. Do you want to go in the other room? Is that what you want?
Yes.
Okay.
I don't think that is good to eat in this room. So
Okay.
if we make messy here, the little one
Alright.
gonna be very very angry because we don't have janitor after.
I need to.
So if we make something dirty, I have to.
Okay. Do you want to pause the class or what?
Anh còn
Thì ông cũng cần phải dừng nữa không? Hay là cứ kệ để
không
vâng. Ra cái đầu Việt Nam này. So I want to question.
Yep.
I think the red name, but when I so in this story, not you know you. Mình đánh lên ngoài ngoài ông ngoại cái nào kia không biết không có
This actually doesn't look bad at all though.
không có cái công cụ để làm hào á.
He already made the terrain, but he don't have the tool to make the trend or any tool to make all the things. Like, the trend to add object,
Add object, okay.
yes.
So this is what you want to do. We want to do, just give me a second here, palette. Prompts. Furniture player, fabrics, electrical, box, warehouse. This makes sense. Like you can do this, you can add it by hand, or what I would do is get the shape data from that website. Let me show you the website.
Nào hôm qua lên luôn là cái clip là cái gì?
Not about the house or the say like you cannot modify the terrain. Like to add object, for example, to add the tank in this.
Oh, we can't add the tank.
Yes, for example, a tank, a car, anything.
What is he using? Is it forces or?
Just to there are forces. Like even